So here we are, we've got a 4 high, 3 wide AquaClimb classic glacier model, and we're now going to dismantle it. So the first thing we do is they're all joined together with center bolts. So the first thing the guys are going to do is, on the whole structure, is remove the center bolts. The center bolts that I'm talking about are the joiners, the frame joiners here. And they go all the way up and they join these two panels, the vertical panels, together. Once that's done, we'll then come along and undo the links so that we can fold the walls down. By undoing these links, the whole wall will fold down into itself. So what we're now going to do is we're now going to remove the lower diagonal bolt on both sides, here and here. And as you do that, it'll then release the diagonals to lower the wall. Got it? Okay. Now we've released the diagonals. Now we're going to lower the top frame, then the middle frame, and then we're going to loosen off and remove the pins at the bottom of the base, and then we're going to lift it out, one section at a time. Make sure that these diagonals are on the outside of the frame first. Take that one out, and if you then hold this, so you've got two people holding this, you're going to hold it and pull down gently. Okay, all right, and then pull again. Okay. Okay, great. And now we need to undo these bolts here and take this diagonal off.
Justin, you all right?
There you go, perfect.
Sorry, go for it.
Okay, take that on.
Bend it, break it. There you go. Out it. And slow her down, slow her down, slow her down.
Okay. We're now going to take the pins out from the base. So we're going to pull the pins out, take the link out. Okay, and we do that on both sides. Over there, and then all good. Keep it going the outside. There you go. Oh boy. Good. Okay. There you go. Yeah. Okay. Ready? Yep. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Go right underneath the thing. Yep.